Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is my third video with my Mini 2 following my vacation in July 2021. Now I flew over a river down a ravine, so this was a challenging flight, as you will see. First of all, I want to show you the location. If you look at this first map here, I was in the province of Quebec in Canada on the east coast on the right side on the map, and here on the second map was my exact location. You can see the big dot. I was at 150 kilometers east of Quebec City, or 100 miles. So I did this flight at 2.7K, 60 frames per second. Like I said in previous video, this is the resolution I prefer. Of course, you can fly in 4K, but it's 30 frames per second. So I prefer the smooth movement or video in 60 frames per second. Now, I flew, like I said, over a ravine, very deep. I followed the river with my Mini 2. I went down a few times, but you will see here, actually I did edit most of it because it's kind of boring. I was turning often on both sides, right and left, to see if I was getting too close to trees on the side, because the Mini 2, as you might know, doesn't have obstacle avoidance on the sides. So you have to be careful when you go down a ravine and then you don't see what's going on both sides, so it's risky. But because of that, I used the zoom a few times. The Mini 2 has a zoom function, and when you film at 2.7K, you don't lose too much resolution. Of course, 4K would be better, but I prefer, like I said, 2.7K. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this little video of the 7 falls. The actual name in French is les Sept-Chutes in the village of St-Pascal. That's close to Kamouraska, where I did my previous 2 videos during my July vacation. So in closing, don't forget again, I think this is the third time I mention it, but this is so cool. This is the nano case for the Mini 2, and I did not mention in previous videos, it's also watertight. So excellent case for your Mini 2. So thank you for watching, and see you next time. Goodbye, guys.